No Hard Feelings, a tale of love, friendship, and embracing diversity. Once upon a time, in a diverse and bustling city, a heartfelt moral story of love, friendship, and the power of acceptance unfolds. In this vibrant urban setting, two young men from contrasting cultural backgrounds find themselves navigating the complexities of their identities and their deepening connection. Alex, a second-generation Turkish-German, and Okan, a recent Syrian refugee, cross paths while working at a food delivery company. Initially hesitant and guarded, their shared experiences as outsiders in a foreign land gradually bring them closer together. As they navigate the challenges of language barriers, cultural differences, and societal expectations, a unique bond forms between them. As Alex and Okan spend more time together, they discover a shared passion for music and art, using these creative outlets to express their emotions and aspirations. Through their friendship, they learn to confront their own prejudices and dismantle the walls of ignorance and fear that divide their communities. However, their newfound camaraderie is tested when a series of misunderstandings and societal pressures threaten to tear them apart. It is in this moment of crisis that they must decide whether to succumb to the forces of hatred and division or to rise above and embrace the power of empathy and understanding. However, their newfound camaraderie is tested when a series of misunderstandings and societal pressures threaten to tear them apart. It is in this moment of crisis that they must decide whether to succumb to the forces of hatred and division or to rise above and embrace the power of empathy and understanding. In a climactic scene, Alex and Okan, surrounded by their respective communities, deliver a powerful message of unity and acceptance. Their courage and resilience inspire those around them to challenge their own biases and embrace the beauty of diversity. As the story concludes, Alex and Okan realize that their friendship has not only transformed their own lives, but has the potential to ignite change on a larger scale. They vow to continue breaking down barriers and fostering understanding among different cultures, becoming ambassadors for a world that values compassion, inclusivity, and the celebration of shared humanity. The moral of this touching tale is the importance of embracing diversity, dismantling prejudice, and cultivating meaningful connections across cultural boundaries. No Hard Feelings reminds us that our differences are what make us unique and that true strength lies in our ability to accept and respect one another. It urges us to challenge the stereotypes and preconceptions that hinder our collective progress and to embrace a world where love, empathy, and understanding prevail.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it educational and fun. If so, please hit the like button below to show your support. And don't forget to check out some of our other videos by clicking on the screen now. Thanks, and we look forward to bringing you more stories soon. Have a great day.